Hey, it's Trevor here. Hope you're very well. Today I've got a review. Okay, so it's been a little while since I've done a review. This is my high ticket jacker review. And I've been really careful when it comes to reviewing products lately because I'm just really conscious of the fact that so many of you on my list are finding things tricky financially. And I don't want to make things worse. I just want to help you to make progress. And so for that reason, I'm kind of holding back and only reviewing what I think has got real potential for you. Now, I was not going to review this. In fact, up until probably 20 minutes ago, half an hour ago, I wasn't going to review this. And I thought, let me just take a look inside the members area. I started looking through the videos and I actually acted on what was in there myself. So at that point, I thought to myself, if I don't tell you about this, then that's not on, clearly, because what's in here is good and it's actionable and it definitely gets results without a shadow of a doubt. Now, this is all about selling high ticket products. I sell high ticket products. I must admit I haven't sold many for a while because I've just not been focused on that, and I do need to turn my focus back to that probably. Probably the reason that I backed off from high tickets was again because of what's going on in the world right now, and that some people will put their money into a high ticket product when they maybe can't afford to, and that just didn't sit very well with me. So but to be honest with you, people they're either going to buy the high ticket or not, and if they are, they're going to buy it from someone, so it may as well be from you because you'll get some decent commissions. Now, this course comes from two of my good pals, Anthony Mancuso and Paul Nichols. Paul Nichols is a fellow Brit, and we've been friends for some time now. Anthony is a New Yorker. Grab some coffee. And I think he lives in like Amsterdam or somewhere there, something like that. Anyway, two good guys, and straight and honest, so that's all good. The training itself is very good. So I'm going to show you the sales page quickly. I'm going to show you inside the members area. I'm going to show you my bonus bundle, and I'm going to say go and get it, because this is a solution. Now, in a nutshell, what this is, just so you know, this is how to build a simple one-page website that will rank for the high ticket offers that are out there that you can earn commissions for. So you're going to be getting free traffic because your one-page simple website is going to rank. Now, everything is taken care of, full instruction on how to do what you need to do, plus all the outsourcing and all that if you can't do any of that stuff yourself, so no need to panic there. And it really does work. I'm going to show you actually some of my results so you can see that this is the real deal. So in particular, in this offer, there's reference to Project Profit Academy. Project Profit Academy sells at $1,997, and I have personally made over $9,500 because there's been about 2 or 3 sales that didn't go through Warrior Plus for whatever reason. I think that they were allocated to someone else and they were my sale, etc., etc. But even if it was just $9,500, that's a lot of money, and that's obviously something that is a big help. And to be honest with you, when it comes to this, like if I was to do a full review for a product like a $12.95 product, $12.95, I would sometimes build a whole page and put a load of effort into that for that product. Now, I know there are upsells, and so you can get some of those upsells, but when it comes to high ticket, you get like $500 to $1,000 in one hit, just like that, and it makes such a big difference. It really does, which is why I like this. So let me show you the sales page. Now, all I'm going to do here is just show you the headline, go through it quickly. If I see anything I don't believe, I'm going to tell you. So it says, why our high ticket jacker method is better than every other affiliate method we've seen before. You don't need to have any prior skills or experience to bring to the table. This works if you're a total newbie. You don't have to stress about getting approved to high ticket offers with our method. This is a hurdle for most. Our method doesn't require you to have an email list. We've discovered how to do this with free traffic. Many of our high ticket commissions roll in while we're sleeping. If you've got 30 to 60 minutes per day, you can use our brand new, never before revealed method to bank high ticket commissions. Then we have the usual sales pagey stuff that you can go through. Now, this actually tells you what you get: high ticket, step by step, cheat sheet, real life case studies, and I would imagine there's probably going to be bonuses on here. Let me see. Yeah, so right, bonus 1, you're going to get video coaching series. Bonus 2, 10 quick profit methods, and bonus 3, the $300 per day income machine. But plus, of course, you're going to get my bonuses. I'm going to show you those, and they're going to be a big help for what you get with this. So inside the members area, pretty straightforward. You've got, it's broken down into modules. So you've got case studies, the method overview, the money sheet, which is like a spreadsheet, which is quite nice. You know, I'll show you that in a second. Live passive income machines, uncovering high ticket gold, setting up your virtual ATMs, my secret weapons, and final thoughts. So if we go to the method overview, and I'll quickly show you a little bit of this. I'm going to move forward. Right, so move back actually so you can see what was up here. All right, so we've got one-page websites, high-ticket commission in here, press releases. Now, at first I thought, press releases, oh, that sounds a bit tricky, you know. Then as you go through the course, you see that Anthony explains and he shows you his press releases that he's got done. And it's all very straightforward, but very, very powerful. And I can see so clearly how this can work, which is why I started taking action immediately while I was working through it. And then why I thought, well, it wouldn't be fair for me to go through this, start taking action and not tell you about it. All right, so that's what I'm doing now. So back to the main videos here. So the money sheet is, I quite like this because it's nice and organized. It just goes through building a money sheet, which has got the product name, date of launch, pricing, commission, JV page, affiliate network notes. So you can put everything that you need in one place so that you can keep on top of the offers that you're promoting. And bear in mind that they're high tickets, so it's not like you're going to be promoting loads and loads of low tickets. My passive income, live passive income machines. Let me see. So Munchite, as seen on TV. These are some of the places where he finds his information. And then if we go through, choosing your domain, getting your hosting, purchasing your moneymaker, which is your domain, setting it up, starting with a clean slate, you go through into WordPress, you know, what to take out and all that. So if you've got no experience, it's fine, you can do it all. Ordering your content so you don't have to write it yourself, ordering your images so you don't have to create that yourself, finalizing the setup. All right, and then I'll just go through to here. Niche blog comments and PBM blasts. There are sites shared in here that are worth you grabbing this for, because I've not seen them before. They're the secret sauce that Anthony's using, and you know, you just need to jump on this and start using it, because I can see 100% that this is going to work. Right now, the only thing that you're going to need to do is you will need to probably, if you want to increase your conversion, or you can write a one-page, you know, review, and you can put bonuses on there, etc. But if you can do a video review, that's going to make your conversions higher. Now, you don't have to. I'm just saying, if you can, it's going to make your conversions higher, because in that review you can talk about the product itself, you can talk about any OTOs, which I'm going to show you about this one in a minute, and any bonuses, which I'm going to show you about this one in a minute. But it just gives you that opportunity to get that across, but it's not absolutely crucial. So before we move on to my OTOs, let's take a look, my bonuses. Let's take a look at the OTOs. So to begin with, the front end is only $9.95 to kick off. It's going to go up on a dime sale. Then you've got OTO 1, which is $37. It's got a $27 down sale. I don't know if they're taking anything away. So to be honest with you, usually they don't. So, you know, go for the down sell and save yourself some money. So upgrade to high ticket Jacker Pro to get more free traffic, 3 times your profits, work less and make more money while you sleep. So that's the pro version. Then OTO 2 is the done for you. So it's upgrade, your subscribers can skip, that's you, pass the trial and error and make a lot more money quicker by plugging into our proven done for you campaigns. So this is going to save you time and effort. It's going to get you there a lot faster. $67 with a $37 down sell. Again, save yourself money. Go for the down sell. I doubt they're taking anything away. I know that they won't like me for saying this, but I just think with the way things are at the moment, I just got to be completely transparent with you. OTO 3, $197, downsell 147. This is a full and complete video training course loaded with done for you resources and material, with one goal to show you the biggest shortcut for getting to earning no less than 5k per month fast. So that sounds pretty good. 5k per month, $147 for the downsell, and then license rights, which is a no-brainer. You know, get the license rights to resell this particular offer. All right, get the downsell, $47. No brainer. Right, so my bonuses. When you come onto my bonus access page, you're going to see these links here. By the way, if you're watching this on YouTube, which you probably are, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please click on the notification bell. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please say hello to me in the comments. It just helps. And the more you help me, the more I can help you. Okay, so if you could do all that, that'd be fantastic. Come on here, join my Facebook group. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my list and get 4 bonuses for free. And then you need to click this link here, all right, to re-cookie yourself in, because what I'm going to do is, I'm sorry, there's a phone call coming in from the wife. 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, when you come onto this doc, just click on this link here to re-cookie yourself to me, and I'm going to list all the OTOs here so you can go through the OTOs at your own pace. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give a live training call with me. So it's going to be a live webinar, and I'm going to teach you how to cash in with high ticket offers, answer any of your questions that you might have, and just, you know, take you by the hand and guide you on that. It's going to be absolutely free of charge. Obviously, I'd normally charge for that sort of thing, but it's going to be free of charge. It's going to be your bonus for getting this. I'm also going to give you the affiliate profit system, and the affiliate profit system, let me open that up for you. Right, so in here we've got selecting your offer, top review tips, how to make review videos, optimizing your videos, tracking what works, super fast affiliate commissions, scaling up with funnels, and ninja email strategies. All of these here are going to be a great introduction to you for affiliate marketing and can be used in conjunction with promoting high ticket offers. How to generate recurring income with no site, no list, the quickest way you can earn affiliate commissions, affiliate marketing secrets, tips and tricks, memberships made simple, cash in with funnels, private email secrets for maximum traffic, private ninja email hacks for even more traffic, how to rank videos on YouTube, how to create a 3D e-cover in minutes, and I use those to kind of brand things like bonuses and stuff to give you more chance to get your sales, to increase the perceived value. How to design your own logos, again for branding. You're also going to get P1 profits, you're going to get Fast Cash 5, you're going to get Money Monster, you're going to get easy passive paydays, you're going to get 24-hour traffic machine, you're going to get how to create profitable solo ad traffic campaigns, you're going to get $100 per day blueprint, you're going to get product creation hero, and you're going to get the fastest way to 1K per month online. So you're going to get all of these bonuses absolutely free of charge instantly when you grab this through my link. So that's it. We've gone through everything. You've seen the product, you've seen what it is. In a nutshell, it's how to create simple one-page websites, how to rank them, and how to use that to pull in high ticket commissions. Now this is passive income. It's like once you've done it, then you can just walk away and leave it, and the money will come in. All right, that's why this is so powerful. That's why I love it. And it was, you know, as I started going through this training, as I said, I actually did take some action, and it was when I was doing that I thought, got to tell you about this, because it just would not be on if I didn't. All right, so this is so cheap, plus you get all my bonuses, which make it a complete no-brainer. So go and grab it now, take a look at the OTOs, definitely get the license rights, definitely go, I think, for the pro version. Look at the downsells. If there's nothing taken away, grab the downsells instead of the upsells, save yourself some money and get stuck into this and earn yourself some money. Okay, if you've got any questions, please let me know. In the meantime, I wish you all the very best. Take care. Trevor.